Just came back from Costco and man, their chicken salad is bomb. They never disappoint. Check it out, guys. Whew. That salad was super delicious. Brian took it. He ate my bowl. So I'm gonna go make a dinner. We're gonna have black bean spare ribs. So I'm trying to get rid of the pork. Everything out of the freezer because I ordered Brian some food from Daily Harvest. So I put him on a diet kind of deal and it's gonna come in 2 days. So we gotta clear the fridge to make room for that. Hopefully this will help him get his body back in shape. Sven is having, what are you having?
Food.
What kind of food?
Bone grill.
That gunbone?
Gunbone, yes.
Hopefully it's still good.
You didn't get no vegetables?
No, I went to Costco instead.
What you get at Costco?
Fruits for baby. So I got myself this. Lots of fruits, salad, vegetables, all that good stuff. And gotta cook this and some meat. Lots and lots of goodies. Get rid of this. This was marinated last night. Here it is. Black bean. See those beans? Yeah. Still simmering. I'm gonna do it for about 40 minutes. There's my plate of fruits, cherries and grapes. I'm gonna take this up to Brian because he was like, those fruits were yummies.
It should be very thoughtful and
baby's there. Brian's in a meeting. Virtual meeting.
just
Just add my eggs. Looking good. And she's done. Very, very good. Are you walking? Was that your first step? Did I just catch your first step? Hey. No. My goodness. This boy. Mama said no. No. Hey. Over here. Scooby. No, 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 no. We gotta really baby-proof this soon. He's getting everywhere. Nope. 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 Nope, go. Over here. Hey, Scoops. Over here. Over here, honey. Ryan, come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Oh my God. You okay, honey? Oh my goodness. Oh. Over here. Come here. Come here. Ah. Come here. What is that? Bear crawling. $9 p.m. and baby is down. I've never seen him sleep this way in this bed. Very strange. He must be really tired. Brian's doing a meeting and having dinner as well. My dinner.
So it's kind of like...
It is the end of the night, about 1:20 a.m. I was just hanging out and chilling with my brother and discussing some business, but it's time to go to sleep. I'm so tired, super tired. I feel like I'm a zombie, but hopefully day by day it'll get better.